Hello guys, this is me Lokman Khan and today we discuss about nervous system classification based on physiology. And physiology based nervous system are classified into two types, somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. Somatic nervous system control all voluntary activities and autonomic nervous system control all involuntary activities. Voluntary activities are those activities which are in our control, and involuntary activities are those activities which are not in our control. So somatic nervous system control all voluntary activities and autonomic nervous system control all involuntary activities. The autonomic nervous system is divided further into two types: parasympathetic nervous system and sympathetic nervous system. Parasympathetic nervous system control all autonomic activity, it rest and digest, and sympathetic nervous system will control all autonomic activities during fear, flight and fight and emergency state. Parasympathetic nervous system innervate GIT and derivatives of GIT, such as the foregut derivatives is respiratory system and hindgut derivative is urogenital system, and CVS cardiovascular system also. In cardiovascular system it only innervate the heart and eye also is innervated by the parasympathetic nervous system, while the sympathetic nervous system innervates GIT gastrointestinal tract, derivative of gastrointestinal tract such as the respiratory system, urogenital system, CVS, and sympathetic nervous system, cardiovascular system, it innervates the heart as well as the blood vessel also. But in parasympathetic nervous system there is no single blood vessel which are supplied by the parasympathetic nervous system, but in sympathetic nervous system heart plus blood vessel both are supplied by the sympathetic nervous system. Eye are also supplied by parasympathetic nervous system. Sweat gland also and erector pili muscle are also supplied by sympathetic nervous system. Sweat gland and erector pili muscle are the two sites of sympathetic axon terminal which release acetylcholine instead of non-adrenaline. In parasympathetic nervous system, acetylcholine is released as a neurotransmitter. In sympathetic nervous system, adrenaline or non-adrenaline is a released as a neurotransmitter. But in all these parts in the sympathetic nervous system, non-adrenaline is released as a neurotransmitter except sweat gland and erector pili muscle. Sweat gland and erector pili muscle are the two sympathetic axon terminal which release acetylcholine instead of non-adrenaline. So sympathetic nervous system also known as adrenergic system. And all visceral activity is not in our control, and these all are the visceral organ which is not in our control. This is the sympathetic division and this one is the parasympathetic division. The sympathetic division origin occur from thoracolumbar. It means that this is the thoracic vertebrae and this is the lumbar. So the sympathetic division origin occur from thoracolumbar, from thoracic to lumbar vertebrae. The fiber which leave the central nervous system and here synapse with the autonomic ganglionic fiber is known as free ganglionic fiber of the sympathetic division. The free ganglionic fiber of the sympathetic division is shorter in length, while the postganglionic fiber which can synapse with the effector organs such as the salivary gland, such as lung, heart, liver, these are longer in length. So the preganglionic fiber of the sympathetic division is shorter in length while the postganglionic fiber of the sympathetic division is longer in length. This one is the parasympathetic division. The parasympathetic division origin occur from craniosacral region. This one is the cranial and this one is the sacral. From here this parasympathetic division origin occur, and the fiber which leave the CNS and here synapse with the autonomic ganglion is known as preganglionic fiber of the parasympathetic nervous system. The parasympathetic nervous system preganglionic fiber are longer in length, while the postganglionic fiber of the parasympathetic nervous system is shorter in length. The postganglionic fiber here synapses with the effector organ and innervate the effector organ. You can see here clearly in the diagram. Parasympathetic nervous system control all autonomic activity at rest and digest state, while the sympathetic nervous system control all autonomic activity at fear, flight, fight, and emergency state. At rest, parasympathetic nervous system is dominant in all the system of the body except blood vessel. Parasympathetic nervous system NGIT increase salivation, gastric secretion occur, and peristalsis movement occur, and defecation reflex occur in the parasympathetic nervous system. While in sympathetic nervous system and the GIT decrease salivation, decrease gastric secretion, decrease peristalsis movement, and inhibition of defecation reflex. In respiratory system in the parasympathetic nervous system, breathing is normal, and PNSO stimulation will increase bronchial secretion and bronchial constriction occur. While in sympathetic nervous system, breathing is fast and decreased bronchial secretion occur and bronchi is dilated, so bronchodilation occur. In urinary system of the parasympathetic nervous system, increased peristalsis movement and micturition reflex occur, while in sympathetic division, decreased micturition reflex occur. In genital system of the parasympathetic nervous system, the female uterine smooth muscle contraction occur and male erection occur, while in sympathetic nervous system, in female relaxation of uterine smooth muscle occur and male ejaculation occur. In CVS of parasympathetic nervous system, heart rate decrease, force of contraction decrease, rate of conduction decrease, while sympathetic nervous system increase heart rate, increase force of contraction, and increase conduction, rate of conduction. In eye in the parasympathetic nervous system, pupillary constriction occur and accommodation for near vision occur, and lacrimation also occur. Lacrimation means flow of tear occur. While in sympathetic nervous system, pupil dilation occur and increased sweating occur. So this is the simple and easy word during parasympathetic nervous system. It is rest and digest state, so gastrointestinal tract easily salivation, gastric secretion, peristalsis movement, defecation occur. In respiratory system, breathing is normal, increased bronchial secretion and bronchoconstriction occur. In urinary system, increased peristalsis movement occur and micturition reflex occur. In genital system, female uterine smooth muscle contraction occur and male erection occur. In CVS, decreased heart rate occur, decreased force of contraction occur, and decreased rate of conduction occur. In eye, pupil constriction occur, accommodation for near vision occur, and lacrimation occur. But in sympathetic division, it is a fear, flight, fight, and emergency state. During emergency state, salivation decrease, gastric secretion decrease, peristalsis movement decrease, inhibition of defecation reflex occur. In respiratory system, breathing is fast, decreased bronchial secretion, and bronchodilation occur. In urinary system, decrease or inhibition of micturition reflex occur. In genital system, female relaxation of uterine smooth muscle occur and male ejaculation occur. In CVS, cardiovascular system, increase heart rate, increase force of contraction, and increase rate of conduction occur. In eye, pupil dilation occur, and sweating also increase.